Hey. No, start over. Hey, remember that engine we blew up over the summer? Where we said, oh no, we suck again. Well, I decided today was a good day to tear it apart. And you can see some of what's going on here. Got the heads off. Comes down to a short block, pretty much almost. And I'll get it tore apart and just start throwing stuff away. So let me just show you what happened. It's the day after Christmas, and of course the furnace ain't working again. So we're down to LP tanks and burners. So the engine, you can see it kind of crumbled up. I don't know what all is wrong with maybe the valve train, maybe nothing, I don't know, but it's been a lot of push rods. Here's the cylinder heads, which I guess I'll throw these away because neither one of them in great shape. So let's go around to the other side. And one of these things is not like the other. I can't tell. Where's my flashlight? Just had it. Just had it in my hand. All right, here we go. I can't tell exactly like what failed first. Was it the rod bending that caused the failure? Which I don't know that it was. You know, did it put pressure on one side of the piston, or did the was it ignition timing that caused the issue to begin with? I don't know. If I'm guessing, I would say it was the lack of ring gap. I say that because this was a factory engine out of a 99, I think it was, Silverado. Had 250,000 miles on it, and I was making upwards of over 20 pounds of boost with it. So your guess is as good as mine. I'm assuming that it lifted a ring, or it butted a ring and peeled the crown off the piston, and I'm going to say that was probably the start of it, and then things kind of escalated from there. Ran good while it lasted, and this had a 80 millimeter VS Racing turbo on it. This was the turbo that was on it, a T6 housing. Nice little. I haven't looked at the head gaskets real close yet. They kind of all look. They were leaking. I mean, they were leaking all over. I don't know if it was because I'm thinking it's a failure before I put the studs in. It was already having problems before I put the studs in, and then when I did the studs, I just took one head bolt out at a time, put one stud in at a time, torqued it down. So we got gravel in it now, you know, it might as well be. Yeah. Or is it just these cylinder heads, which, I don't say it now. Yeah, it does. This was off of one of the first engines, the old Ain't Care 5.3, and obviously not a lot of luck there. So that brings us over to the other engine. If you haven't seen it, in Bill Gates 86 Grand Prix. So yeah, it's lowered on the front. Got some Poverty Star wheels on it. So yeah, working on putting a proportioning valve on it right now. Just need a couple brake lines I need to make for it. But this is basically the same engine as the other one. This was just a, I think it was a, I don't know how many miles were on it. Just a 5.3, got a decent cam in it, and makes 12.5 pounds of boost on the blower. It is a very fun having car with this engine, with this blower on it. My God, it is so much fun on the street. And at the track, I don't know what it's going to do. Obviously, I need to work on a good tune-up. Got the Holley Terminator system on it, so that's nice. And then with the old engine, you know, I thought maybe the timing was an issue, but you know, I had really safe timing in it. It was really, it was a decent, I thought, tune. But you know, obviously, engine wasn't built for it. You know, I just got greedy with it, and even though the thing would not 60 foot at all because of my converter, it didn't matter. It didn't matter what tire was on it. It just overpowered set of slicks, overpowered hard tires, and then this engine here just, you know, it didn't matter. It just blows these tires off too. But anyways, yeah, getting ready to put together a little bit bigger engine to replace this one. We're gonna go back to the turbo, and we're gonna party because I like to party. I can't stay up past about 9 o'clock, but I'll party. All right. Anyways, let you know what happened. Talk to you later.